Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Sharp here. This morning we've been thinking about teddies. So we've done a teddy science experiment with read teddy stories, and now we're about to have a teddy bear's picnic. So this is Charlie's writing. It says, please come in the tea party. And then here we have cookies. Now, from a reception point of view, this is really beautiful writing because he's used his digraph for please. He's spelt come, even though it's a tricky word and he could know that. He's spelt that using his phonic knowledge. He's done his tricky word here, which is great. And then T, P, R, T, E. And that's fantastic. He's used his phonic knowledge. He wouldn't know how to spell party because we haven't covered that in reception. And then he's got his W and his E mixed up, but that's fine. And then have is great. And then cook, ease. He did that by himself. I'm really proud. We've extended it for Olivia. She's done a little bit more. She's not spelt some of her words right. She hasn't spelt some of her words right, but that's absolutely fine. We can leave it because she's writing for pleasure, or if we felt like it, we could tackle some of those words on a later date. So, are you ready for me to come to the tea party? Yeah. Okay, they've set it up. We're in Olivia's room. Ah, look at this. Now,
you want some water?
Yes, please. And we've made some chocolate chip oat cookies this morning.
Why have you put raisins on?
They're not raisins, they're chocolate chips. Now,
Can you pick one?
in a minute. So if you want to make the chocolate
Here
chip
you go,
cookies, oh, thank you.
That's for you.
I have got
You're having one.
a recipe book
Give us some
here
water. Yeah.
that we got from Haig's Bakery in Guiseley. They're delivering baking packs for £15. So if you want to have a look at the
Here you go.
ingredients and the method, press pause now.
I'm going to drink it.
So if you want to check out Haig's Bakery in Guiseley, they have a phone number and they deliver a huge box full of all the ingredients you need
Nothing's there.
to make all these different recipes. So we've done 2 so far, and then on the back it tells you everything
It has so much hairs in.
that you will get in your box, and at home you just need to provide these. It's fantastic. So I need to go now because we've been writing for pleasure, we've been baking, and now we're going to use our imagination with our tea party. Why don't you set one up at home too? You could make invitations, write a recipe. Once you've done your tea party, you could do thank you cards. So get writing for pleasure, everybody, and use your imagination.
That's a star.
Yum, yum. Let's tuck in, guys.
Mine's a love heart.